Good morning, children. Welcome to your economics class. And yesterday we started our chapter correlation, chapter number 12. Yesterday we learned about what is the meaning of correlation and what are the two types of correlation depending upon their increase and decrease. Okay, and today we'll be learning about types of correlation डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द चेंज और यू कुड से कि प्रोपोर्शन उनकी किस तरीके से चेंज होती है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. तो वील बी लर्निंग अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ कोरिलेशन एंड इट इज़ लीनियर correlation and the second type it could be non linear correlation. Okay children, so we'll be first learning about what is linear correlation. Children, in linear correlationship, when two variables are given to us, suppose x and y variable, they are related to each other. These two variables show a change. Okay, and what type of change they show? They show a constant change. Okay, when two variables which are given to us show any sort of constant change, then that type of correlation could be classified as linear correlation. Okay, and if we plot the graph of linear correlation, we always get a straight line. Okay, when we plot a graph, so we get a straight line graph. So quickly I'll give an example of this, कि how we can notice this constant change. Say both the variables x and y are related to each other. Okay, and if say x is increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and y is increasing by say 10, 20, 30, 40. So children, what do we note over here? We note, if we look at x side, change is 1, 2 to 3 when it moves, change is 1, 3 to 4, the change is 1. And if we look at y variable, what is the type of change? You could say कि the difference over here is 10, and we may note that the change is every time equal. Whether it is in x variable, it is increasing by 1, and if we look at the y variable, it is increasing by 10 every time. So when this type of increase we see, that means every time the particular variable is increasing by a fixed value, that type of correlation can be classified as linear correlationship. And in this case, when we plot this on a graph, we get a straight line graph. Children, one more thing, if suppose x and y variable are related to each other, x variable is suppose increasing by 1 every time. Now suppose x is related to y, but y is decreasing. Y is decreasing, that means y is showing negative correlation. That means it is decreasing from 50 to 40, then 30, and then 20, suppose. So if we look at x variable, it is every time increasing by 1. Okay, and if we look at y variable, it is every time decreasing by 10. It is every time being reduced by what value? 10. But you could say कि the change which we see is constant, that the value of change is every time the same. There is no difference between the value. Say suppose the first value is 50 and it becomes something else. Okay, यहाँ पे हमारा 39 होता और यहाँ पे हमारा 28 हो जाता, तो that would be that will not be called as constant change. Okay, that will be a non-constant change. Okay, so this type of change, if we see, it can be classified as linear correlationship.